Hi to all. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic applications of microprocessor. In my last classes, I already discussed what is microprocessor. Microprocessor is a programmable integrated device. It is a small tiny device that has computing and decision making capability. The microprocessor has computing and decision making capability similar to that of a central processing unit of the computer. So it is also like a central processing unit, but the size of the microprocessor is very tiny and it is embedded with any other devices. When the microprocessor works as a CPU, then the system is called a microcomputer. A microcontroller is a small computer on the single integrated kit containing a processor core, memory and programmable input and output peripherals. So where the microprocessor are used and what are the applications of microprocessor or microprocessor applications and real-time systems. Microprocessor are used to handle a set of tasks that control one or more external event or systems. Microprocessors are typically used in either reactive or embedded systems. What is the meaning of reactive is reactive systems are those that have an ongoing interaction with their environment. For example, fire control system, the fire control system that constantly react to the buttons pressed by a pilot. Then what is called embedded systems? The embedded systems are those used to specialized hardware in which a computer system is installed. Embedded system means we can embed this microprocessor in any other devices. For example, we can embed the microprocessor chip in a washing machine. The chip can be embedded in a car. The chip can be embedded in security systems. For example, you have seen in many movies, in Hollywood movies and all movies, a lot of security alarming systems and the firearm systems in the hotels, in the big houses, how they use the car. When the car entered, the door automatically opens, and when the car moved into the house lobby, it automatically the door closed. These are all the microprocessor applications made by microprocessor applications. So the embedded system means the small tiny chip can be embedded into any other devices. For example, the microprocessor system used to control the fuel and air mixer in the core of many automobiles. In embedded systems, the software system is completely encapsulated by the hardware that it controls. Then microprocessor as a programmable device. The fact that the microprocessor is a programmed means it can be instructed to perform a given task, because the microprocessor can't perform their task with their own, because you have to instruct the microprocessor what to do, what action to be performed, and all the things have to be instructed by the human beings only. So similarly, today's microprocessor is designed to understand and execute the instructions. A programmer can select apt instructions and ask the microprocessor to perform various tasks on a given set of data. And then the next point is microprocessor as a CPU. A computer with a microprocessor as its CPU is known as microcomputer. If there is a microprocessor in your CPU, that is called the microcomputer. The terms micro means the term microprocessor and UP unit are often used synonymously. A microprocessor unit implies a complete processing unit with the necessary control signals, but because of less pins, some of the signals need to be generated by using discrete devices to make the microprocessor a complete functional unit or MPU. Then this is the main concept of today's video. What are the exclusive applications of microprocessor? Nowadays, a microprocessor based system are used in instructions, automobile testing, product speed control of motor, traffic light control of furnaces, etc. The impact of microprocessor in different layers of fields is significant. The availability of low cost, low power and small weight computing capability makes it useful in different applications, because it is very tiny. It can be embedded in any other devices easily. So The availability of the low cost, low power and small weight computing capability makes it useful in different applications. And nowadays a microprocessor based system are used in instructions, automatic testing product, speed controls of motors, traffic light control of furnaces, etc. Some of the important areas are mentioned below. The first one in the communication field. Microprocessors are being used in a wide range of communication equipments. Communication means in telecommunication industry, in telephone industry, these are used in digital telephone sets, telephone exchanges and modem, etc. And the microprocessor chips are used in telephone exchanges, telephone sets and modem, etc. The use of microprocessor in television, satellite communication have made teleconferencing possible. In railway reservation and air reservation systems also uses this technology. For example, in computer network LAN and WAN for communication of vertical information through computer network. And then after communication, microprocessor being used in wide range of communication equipments. And then in office automation and publications also microprocessor has been using. Microprocessor based microcomputer with software packages has changed the office environment. Microprocessor based systems are being used for the word processing, spreadsheet operations, storage, etc. The microprocessor has revolutionized the publication technology. And then in the field of instrumentation, means in today's life we have a wide variety of instrumentations. We have lot of instrumentations, automobile, robotics, and then coal mining and all those several fields are available. It is very useful in the field of instrumentation. It is used to check the frequency counters, function generators, frequency synthesizers, spectrum analysis and many other instruments are available. When microprocessor are used as controller, it is also used in medical instrumentation also. For example, you can see in medical instrumentation you check the blood pressure by inserting the fingers in the device. You can see the oxygen level, you can see the oxygen level of the human, and you can also check the blood pressure, and also you can see the sugar levels of your body by using these devices. Many devices are also available in home itself. For example, you can see the BP BP checking machine by the Omron company also available in homes. You can see the levels of the BP, the highest and lowest BP levels. These are also the devices used. These are also the microprocessor also used on those devices in the medical instrumentation. And then you can use a watch, wristwatch. It can show your blood pressure and sugar levels of an timing. The next one is the control. Microprocessor based controllers are available in home appliances. In our day-to-day life, we are using many home appliances. In that home appliances, microprocessor chip to play a major role. For example, in microprocessor oven, washing machine, air conditioning and refrigerators and all the home appliances we can use that microprocessor. Microprocessor are being used in controlling various parameters like speed, pressure, temperature, etc. These are used with the help of suitable transaction. In the field of consumers, the use of microprocessors in toys, entertainment equipment and home applications is making them more entertaining and full of features. The use of microprocessor is more widespread and popular. Other uses of microprocessor in various fields are in home appliances. In what are the home appliances we are using nowadays, or refrigeration, cooking, washing machine, motor control, audio and video, mobile accessories, remote controls. For example, if you taking washing machine, automated washing machine, it tells the time. If you switch on the button, it automatically instruct you on this button, pour how many liters of water. After that, pour the powder and on the machine, and all those things are done only by the microprocessor. These are called the embedded chips. And in the automotive electronics, powertrain, infotainment, doors, seat, sunroof, modules, climate control, security and dashboard also. You can also see in day-to-day life, we can see in metering, electronic meters also. Electricity board introduced the digital meters. On those also we have the microprocessor chip, and gas and water meters. your water tank. If the water tank is filled with water, the water will be flow into the flow out of the tank. It will be alarmed by the it alarm a signal that the tank is full. Like that, all those are made by the microprocessor only. In home display units, in mobile electronic devices such as mobile phone and internet devices, portable game consoles, automotive GPS, cameras, notebooks, and PDAs also we using microprocessor chips. In building automation, fire and security, comfort and control, telecare, lighting, and industry automations. In, for example, if you took the fire and security, if there is a sensor is placed, if there is a smoke smell received by the controls, it will automatically set the alarm, and it automatically pour the water to the building. So these are all the embedded systems of microprocessor only. In many automobiles today, we have in most of the luxury cars, we use the manufacturer use the microprocessor controlled. When you can automatically open the door by using of the remote, you can automatically lock the door by using the remote controls. How these all happens by the use of only microprocessor. And in the front of the car, you can see the map, and then the park. If you use the parking, if you want to park the car, you see the backside view by using the cameras, and the voice messages also displayed, move left, move right, and all those things are by use of microprocessor only. In our day-to-day lives, we are used in many gadgets, devices, appliances, and machines have microprocessor controlling their operations. For example, in car, and then in calculators, and then in washing machines, computers, refrigerators, air conditioners, and all the appliances we have using microprocessor. For example, you have seen this is an example of microprocessor control device of an oven, micro oven. How the oven works: it has an input devices, it has a processor, and also it has output devices. The key things of microprocessor is input, process, and output. For a microprocessor to control device, it has to make decision based on detected changes. By use of the sensors, they make a decisions, and it will changes the activities. Activate appropriate output devices according to the decision made. And then, what are the components in the microwave oven? Or a microwave generator produces the microwave that cook the food. The lamp illuminates during the cooking process. A motor drives a turntable so that the food rotates and cooks evenly. A display indicates the cooking time. You can see when you place the potato or any item you want to cook, after that you have to close the door, and then you press the button, and the timing buttons also. These are all the microprocessor control devices. A display indicates the cooking time and the selected cooking mode. After the food inside was cooked, it will display alarm sound. This is also the alarm sound also produced by the microprocessor. The sounded beeps when the cooking period is complete. The keypad enables the cooking time to be set, cooking mode to be entered, and start or stop cooking selected. These are all the microprocessor controlled device only. A door switch detects when the door is open. A fan removes steam that is generated by cooking. And then these are all the home appliances nowadays we are using uh, microprocessor embedded systems only. What is the meaning of embedded? Means it is a microprocessor is a small tiny chip. It can be embedded in any electronic devices. For example, you can embed it with the car, you can embed it with the washing machine, you can embed it with the micro oven, bread toaster, and then the timing clock, refrigerators, and air conditioner, and the sound systems, car. This is the example of the car timing signals, and how many times you are left to. This is the example of the washing machine. This is so show the how many times it will take to rinse, how many time it will take to wash, and all those things are displayed in the display board. These are all controlled only by the microprocessor. Thank you, girls.